Hi there and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you're a tourism entrepreneur or work with a small to medium-sized tourism business and you're looking to grow your reach internationally, you are absolutely in the right place. This course, Mastering International Tourism Exhibitions, a strategic guide for SMMEs, was built just for you. Whether it's your first time thinking about attending an international tourism exhibition, or you've done a few but want better results, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to show up prepared, confident, and ready to win real business. By the end of this course, you'll know how to choose the right exhibitions for your business, set smart, realistic goals, design a stand that turns heads, pitch your tourism product like a pro, and follow up like a boss to turn new contacts into paying clients. This course is especially for tourism entrepreneurs, marketing managers in the travel space, or anyone working in a tourism SME aiming to tap into international markets. You don't need a big budget. You don't need years of experience. You just need the right strategy, and that's what we'll build together. Here's how the course works. We've broken everything down into short, easy-to-digest video lessons. You'll also find practical tools like templates, checklists, and real-world assignments to help you apply what you learn immediately. There are quizzes to test your knowledge, case studies to inspire you, and an action plan you'll build as you go. You can go at your own pace, but I encourage you to follow the modules in order and really do the exercises. That's where the magic happens. So, take a deep breath. You've already made the first move by being here. I'm excited to guide you on this journey, and I can't wait to see the success you'll create. Let's get started. See you in Module 1.